Guys, is Omenta Kelvin. I'm back again. Today we will talk about technical analysis. I told you before, now starting a forex, you need to have just three concepts. The first one is fundamental analysis. Second one is sentiment analysis. The third one is technical analysis. For today's video, we will look on technical analysis, and we will analyze on how to insert the indicators in our MetaTrader 5. For the new beginners, our tutorials are there. Go and watch the first one. There is a playlist. Go and watch it. It has all the beginners ideas that you need to have. So for today's, it is technical analysis. With the technical analysis, you can identify when to sell, when to buy. This is a forex market. It entails on how to buy or how to sell. So we will open our MetaTrader 5. As you can see, this is our MetaTrader 5. The commodity that I use to trade is gold. Then we will insert the traders. There is a lot of indicators that we will insert. The first one is called MACD. Second one is called relative index strength, and the third one is called holistic. So we will start with the MACD and the meaning of the MACD. So you will come, as you can see, this is the currencies that I use. We will choose any of them. There is gold. We go to the gold. Then after going to the gold, you will go to analyzation. That is these icons here. So I will show the icon that you will press. This icon here, you will press it. After pressing it, now you will press it like that. That is it. After pressing it, it will bring you to a display where it is main chart. So you can see there is an example of an indicator that is called alligator. So we will go to the MACD. As you can see, there is MACD. You save. Once you come back, now you will see your MACD is displayed in your MetaTrader 5. So briefly, I will discuss how the MACD is used to trade. So there is what we call a signal line and the bars on the MACD. So once the bars start forming at upward, let me show you. Once the bars start forming at this range, it means the market is buying. So once it forms something like this, it means that it is an overbought. So it will start doing what? Selling. So you can use MACD to predict the future of the market. After there, guys, we will look to the second indicator, that is relative index. And it is very important to note that on relative, let's choose USD. Yes, you can use the same, but it's okay. So you will use the USD. So after using USD, you will press the icon that I showed you. You will come in the quote. You come to USD chart. You press the chart. Good. Yes. After there, you will press this icon. This icon, it encloses all the indicators that you need. So after there, you will press it. You press it. After pressing it, it will show you, it will take you to the analyzation. So I can see if it may be internet problem now. Let's now continue. So the relative index number, the relative strength, it shows all about the hoverboard, and it shows all about how to sell and when to buy. So in the next episode, I will discuss more about relative strength. For today's episode, I will stick on more on MACD. So I want you as a beginner to note what MACD means. So I will do a back testing of MACD in GP USD, that is Great British Pounds versus US dollars. So I will do a back test. Let's comes to H4, that is H4. We zoom it. then we look how it behaved at the last. So in the MACD, you can see, if you can see clearly, when this one here, it start forming the bars at upside, if you relate to our chart, it start buying. Good. If you had used MACD, let's see how many pips you would have made. Let's see them. You will have made a lot of pips, guys. You would have made a lot of pips in one trade. So be king. Let's look to another example, guys. As I am about to wind up, let's look for a bearish one. Let's look for a bearish. Let's come for a bearish. Yes, this is a bearish. This is a good example. So look to our chart here. It started what? Selling. If you come to our MACD, it started what? Selling. Sell. So guys, that's all about MACD. You practice it, you know about MACD. So in the next episode, I will talk about now relative index strength. That is good. So guys, I'm winding up. I will share my link to my bio. So click, and I use a broker code XNES. So net meet next time, guys. We will explain all about all the indicators.